Hey everyone! 3 of my favorite things. I don't want to spoil it quite yet because I know a couple of you all are still hopping on. If you are catching the replay, make sure you say hashtag, you leave the comment hashtag replay. Okay, that's the hashtag, like the number sign. And make sure you like it and share it. And I will also load this one on my YouTube channel, so I'm getting better about that. So once I do that, head over there and you can watch it, share it, look at it, comment, love on it, all that stuff. So we have some people coming in so far. We have Tracy. How are you? I hope you're having a very good day. It says we have 3 people on here so far, 4 people. Oh, the numbers are going up. So as soon as your names come up, I'll give you a little shout out, or you can leave me a comment and say, hey. All right, so we have Cherise, Colette, how are you? Lisa, hey. Who else do we have? Let me speak to about 2 more people. That means 2 more people have to say something. Good evening to you too. All right, well, I know y'all are there. It says 9 are watching, so I know you're there. Tracy says, hi, I'm good. I hope you are also. I am, you guys. Buenas noches. I know what that is. Haha. I took about 6 years of Spanish when I was in high school, between high school and I'm supposed to show y'all, between high school and my first couple years of college. So I used to be pretty fluent. It just went away. It has escaped me. Hey Jamie. But all right, so I'm glad you all are tuning in. As you saw on the comment or on the notes above, I wanted to just kind of come on and show you some things that are either one type of tool but multiple different views of it that is very essential for a good applique, a good clean look to it. Because as you know, some of you may know, some of you may not, on Saturday we are doing our applique workshop. I put the link above so that you can sign up if you have not already. And we're going to just go over a lot of things applique. I kept seeing in the comments, I left, as a matter of fact, I asked what everybody needed help with and what they wanted to see. And the most commented comment was applique. So we will do an applique one. Hey, Melissa. So that'll be Saturday at 7 o'clock Eastern time. Hashtag I signed up. I don't know. Give me a thumbs up or something if you've already signed up. All right. So the first thing that I have that is my absolute favorite, because when I like to play with them like this. I don't suggest you do it because it might make it go dull. Hey Danielle. It might make it go dull, but these are spring action snips. Yeah. Spring, like simple as that, spring action. So it doesn't really have the coil spring, but back here it crisscrosses. Am I too close? It crisscrosses and it pops back up, and it stops you from all the way down, like pushing all the way down right there. But that's not the best part. The best part about this is you see the little curve in it. That helps you get right down in those areas for applique. I don't use this for especially if I'm not towels. I don't really use this for towels or anything thick. But if it is a piece of fabric that I know I need to get really close to, or really like in a corner, in a crevice, this is perfect for it. I can actually link the link to it. Link the link. Y'all, I am losing words today. It's crazy. I can put the link above to where you can purchase them on Amazon if you don't get them at Joann's or something like that. I think I may have gotten this pair at Everything Embroidery Market, or either my first pair, and I love them. I buy like 1 or 2 every time just because they go dull, and it's not something that you can just sharpen, so I always get extra 1 or 2, and they're super cheap. All right, so I'm not going to be on here too long, so I know you all are getting ready for dinner, so I'm not going to keep you too long. But, well, unless y'all have questions, because you know I love to talk, and I will answer some questions. The next thing, so if my scissors go dull easily, it's because I play with them a lot. And I'm always clicking them together when I'm waiting on stuff to finish sewing. But These are the Duckbill Ghinger. It's, oh my, y'all, I've gotten to that age that I'm doing this now. Gingher. Ghinger. I got these from Joann's, and it's very, very best to get them when you get a 60% off coupon or 50% off, or sometimes they have them just on sale for the whole brand of scissors and snips in that area, and I would suggest buying them there. If not, I will also post the link for the Amazon link to where you can get them and get them shipped right to your house. Like I had three things shipped to my house today. It was like Christmas. But this is great because you can lay it down flat and you can cut right along your fabric line. All right. Okay, and then also it gives you this curve here so that you're not like right down on the fabric. You can cut from above. So see, like you have that above area. You're not right down right there on the fabric when you're cutting. So that's the great part of it. I like your holder. Where did you find one? Very nice. That up there, I got that from Joann's, and you can also order it on Amazon. But yeah, so tools, I have used these a lot. These are actually not the ones I use for my applique. These have been retired. These have run their course. They have done their job, okay? Well done, good and faithful scissors, because y'all, these have done it. But I cut other like scraps with it now, but still these are one of my favorite types that I use because it has that duckbill. The last one, and I have three because sometimes I have been doing one applique and I've used all three of these scissors in one project. So believe it or not, sometimes you do need all of them. This is very, very, very similar to the last ones I had, but they are without the duckbill. But they still give you that curve. Now this one has even more of a curve. Look at this. So do you see the difference? This one stays flat and this one curves up a little more. So I like this one when I want to cut and it's kind of delicate and I don't want to like rip into whatever fabric I'm cutting, but I can still keep it good and flat on there. There has been some times that I've angled it down and kind of used the pointy part of it if I just needed to get in there better, when I don't feel like these are going to be good enough to cut through the thickness of it. Because I've done some applique on some thick surfaces. I've used vinyl, I've used towel, I've used denim, I've used lace. So applique, the possibilities are endless with applique. But I just wanted to show you all my favorite 3 pairs of scissors. And I have another pair, but they're not really applique scissors. They're actually snips. And you know what? I think I don't have them down here. They're off at a photo shoot. Can y'all believe that? So I sent my scissors to a photo shoot with my planner. My planner's at a photo shoot right now, so it's all fancy and stuff. I want a photo shoot. Maybe one day. But these are my 3 favorites. Okay. Snips, spring action snips. The duckbill from Ghinger, and the duckbill, or you can call it like the pelican kind of thing. I used to call it the pelican one too. But yeah, I use these a whole lot. I don't think there's one that I use more than anything. And this one is great also for cutting threads. So let's say you do any kind of logo or any kind of name or something and you just really want to get really close in there, these are perfect for it. So like I'll slide it in there, clip it, and then hold it up and snip the other side of it. So those are great. Who snuck in here while I was talking away? Hey Carol, hey Phyllis, hey Mama D Taylor. How are you all this evening? Thank you for tuning in. But this one isn't going to be long. I just want to come to you all really, really quick and show you all my favorites. And what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and put the links above. I'll edit the top of it, and I'll put the links in there just in case you want to order it on Amazon, or if you just want to kind of go and cross-reference prices. I do that all the time. I check prices, find the cheapest one. I remember what I was going to say about this one. This one is all silver, but I have seen sometimes it'll come in like a iridescent looking color, and I don't think there's anything much different with it except for the fact that it's just a little prettier. But all right, so go and explore either online, or if you can get out and about to your fabric store, to your craft store, or to your embroidery shop, and see what kinds of scissors they have. See if they'll let you try it out too. Hey Elizabeth, hey Nina. So does anyone have any questions on the scissors? And have you registered? That's another good question. That's like my favorite question of the night. Have you registered? Why not? Come on, come hang out with me on Saturday, because we're going to applique it up. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. So the class, the workshop says it's going to be an hour. Come on. We know me. It might go over a little longer than an hour. Okay. So if you can't hang in there for the whole hour, you will definitely get the replay. But if you can hang in there for the whole hour, hang out with me. And then we may go into a little more detail than we bargained for. That'll be fun. Y'all know me. You know me. I can talk for days. I'm a talker. But with that being said, I have some 7th grade homework to go check. Does anybody want to come over and help me? Anyone? Anyone? No takers? All right. Anywho, so I will see you all that have signed up on Saturday. I am excited. And the ones that did not, I will see you all on Sunday for So Sweet Sunday at 5 o'clock right here in either this group, or I go live from my personal page, and sometimes I broadcast into other pages. So make sure you tune in and catch me. Oh, we got a question that came in right before I got done. Is it possible to know what you'll be working on so that I can follow along? So I've kind of gone back and forth on whether I wanted to do that or not. I think I will. I'll go ahead and release the design that I'm working on. It's not my own design, so I can't give it away unless I can't give it away because it's not my personal one. I didn't digitize it. But I can let you all know what I'll be working on beforehand. I'll go ahead and just post it, and that way you can follow along with me. It won't be where you can immediately come off of mute and talk to me. You'll be able to type it in the chat, and then afterwards I will open it up to where everyone can come off of mute, and then we will discuss all of the questions. So that's why I say we may go over a little bit of an hour. So hang in there to the end if you can. Get your questions answered, and get your project completed if you choose to follow along with me. I wish I could have surgery early morning. Oh, well, I hope all goes well with your surgery on Saturday. I may, depending on how well my computer skills go, I may be able to release the replay at some point if you wanted to purchase the replay. And Elizabeth said, see you on Sunday. And you're welcome, Colette. All right, y'all. So I will see you later. And you guys be safe. Tomorrow's Friday. Have fun. Fun Friday, and I'll see you on Saturday, whoever will be there. Bye. Oh, y'all, remember, I want to show y'all something too. Hold on. Sorry, the ones that hopped off already, they might miss it. They'll catch it on the replay. But let me show y'all. I told y'all I got some stuff in mail. Hold on. I hope y'all, are y'all looking at my junk over there? All right, so you guys get the sneak peek first. I'll probably wear it on Sunday for So Sweet Sunday. But look what I did. Look what I created. Do you teach how to digitize in the digitizing programs I really want to learn? Unfortunately, I don't, because you know what? I have to learn how to digitize. I do not digitize. I do all of my digitizing. I get it outsourced. So that's something that I have not tackled yet. But one day I do wish to do so, and I will. But until then, we'll just sub it out. All right, but look what I did. Embroidery nutrition facts. This right now, it's on my website. If you want one, and then we can all be like twinsies. So look, y'all, it says embroidery, and I made up the nutrition facts. So this is per Alexis FDA. Okay. The nutrition facts of embroidery. Serving size, 1 gifted crafter. That's me. That's y'all too. Okay. 1 gifted crafter. So the percent daily value, blanks is 300%. We're made up of 300% blanks. Mistakes, 2,000% mistakes because we make them. Broken needles, 1,000%. Seam ripper, another 1,000%. But y'all, passion. We have 200% passion because that has to offset not 200. We have 2,000% passion because that has to offset the 2,000% of mistakes we make. And then thread, we got 500% creativity. There's 1,000%. And then at the bottom, the little asterisk, not a significant source of failure. We don't fail. Okay, we always succeed. And then the percent daily values are based on your unique gifts and dedication. Isn't that cute? I love it. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get like 6 more of them and wear them every day. I'm just joking, but I'm gonna get a couple more in some other colors. But I just love this. I was just sitting there one night and I was like, I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make it for embroidery because I haven't seen it. They have all kinds for like entrepreneurs and all kind of stuff. But I figured I'd make it for me, and I will be wearing this on Sunday. Okay. All right. So I will see you all then. I just want to show y'all that real quick. I was excited when I got it in mail, and it doesn't take much to excite me. So I'll see you on Saturday or either Sunday. Remember, it does not have to be perfect, but it has to be pretty. Y'all take care. Bye.